I really grew as a person.
It was one of the best decisions I've ever made, period.
It opened my eyes.
It was the most fun I ever had.
This is Study Abroad.
So the 10-day trip to Jamaica, I can sort of go through it in sections. So you arrive, and even the arrival is something, because most students, when they arrive, they're hit by this warmth of Jamaica. And I'm not just talking about the warmth of the welcome party, I'm talking about it is physically warm. And then there's transfer from there to the facility, where the townhouses where we stay. And then the following day, we hit the ground running with lectures at the university campus, which is a Friday. So the program runs from Thursday to the Saturday of the following week. So we have lectures that day, then we have a welcome meal, and then the Saturday we do a trip to the local market. And then from there we do a tour of Kingston. And Kingston is a most fascinating city, because you can see the stratification of Kingston from where it first started in Port Royal as a capital and worked its way up to the foothills of the Blue Mountain, where you get the best coffee in the world. But you see how the community has changed. And that's a real interesting study about how health is accessed from the wealthier communities at the foothills and up into the hills, and the downtown area, which are more deprived. And we get to see that. Then we take a trip to a little beach called, we go to a little beach called Lion Key, which is like a sandbar out on the coast of Kingston City there in the harbour, off the coast of the harbour. And yeah, it's fantastic. And then the Sunday is a journey where we go into the country, the rural area of Jamaica, to a beach, one of the few remaining public beaches in Jamaica. And that journey, actually, is such a learning experience. We leave very early in the morning and we trans-navigate loads of communities to get there. So you see so much on your way. And that's the Sunday. And then the Monday is a lecture day at the university. The Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are clinic days. Plus we go to an NGO, a non-governmental organization that provides health care, an organization called Missionary of the Poor. And with very little resources, they do so much. So students get a chance to go there and to help out, and it's really a privilege and an honor to go there to help out. And then that evening we then go up to the hill, to the Thursday evening we go up to the coffee farm in the Blue Mountains. The next day is a Friday, again lectures back on the campus with a tour of the hospital. And then there's a closing dinner the Friday night, and then Saturday we prepare transfers for students to go back. We do have a few students who decide that they're going to stay on. That's outside of the remit of our program, but just out of interest. A lot of students, knowing that they're going to go to Jamaica, particularly some of the students with a Jamaican background, but other students as well, they will stay on to just have a little holiday in Jamaica as well. What's interesting about it as well is that lots of students stay in touch with us, and they write back and they say, what can we do for Missionary of the Poor? How can we come out? Is there any opportunities for us to come out and continue with work and service in Jamaica, because they absolutely love it, the experience.